Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to install a 18-inch body wave U-part wig from Luvme Version Hair. It came nicely packaged with a pair of flat irons. It also has 3 wig clips and adjustable straps in the back. My model's hair was already pre-braided and she's ready to get installed. You just want to take a needle and thread and start sewing around the leave out area. Also, I removed those 3 combs that were in the top around the leave out because they were just too bulky and in the way. Once you're done sewing around the leave out, you just want to take your needle and thread and start sewing around the perimeter of the hair. And this wig doesn't have to be sewn down. I just preferred to sew it down. It can be completely unattached just by using the clips and the adjustable straps in the back. Here I'm just removing the braid from her leave out, and I'm going to use my Tool Science 1 1/4 inch flat iron just to straighten her leave out with. Here I'm just going to take some 1 curlers and just do some 1 curls all over the head just to give it a bouncy, wavy look. Here I'm just taking some Healthy Hair black edge control that was gifted to me by my beautiful client Tiana, and I'm gonna lay her edges down. You better slay them edges, girl. I just took a shampoo comb and combed through her curls really quickly. And this is the final look. If you like this hair, the links will be below in the description box. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe.